Insulin is used in the treatment of which disease? Diabetes. Pongal is the festival of which state? Tamil Nadu. Gidda and Bhangra are the folk dances of which state? Punjab. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. How many countries are permanent members of the UN Security Council? 5 permanent members. China, France, Russian Federation, the United Kingdom, and the United States. After how many years the Olympic Games are held? 4 years. Where is the Gateway of India located? Mumbai. On which date Teachers' Day is celebrated? September 5th. Which of the two oceans combines the Panama Canal? Pacific Ocean and North Atlantic Ocean. What is the brightest planet visible from the Earth? Venus. Which was the port city of the Indus Valley Civilization? Lothal. Who is the chairman of the Planning Commission? Prime Minister. Which year did the Nobel Prize started? 1901. Which game is associated with Davis Cup? Tennis. Kolkata is on the banks of which river? Hooghly River. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which is India's highest sports award? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Mona Lisa is a world-famous painting by whom? Leonardo da Vinci. Which city is the city of lakes? Udaipur. When is National Education Day celebrated? November 11th. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? Kiran Bedi. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Ayodhya is on the banks of which river? Saryu River. Who is the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. When is National Science Day celebrated? The 28th of February.